This time last year, these very hallways echoed with laughter, music, and celebration. We were marking 40 glorious years of Sherwood Public School, a milestone filled with pride, joy, and shared memories. If someone had told us then that just a year later we would be celebrating the 79th birthday of our beloved director, Mr. Y.K. Gurwara, without him by our side, we wouldn't have believed it. We couldn't have imagined this space without his presence, his energy, his smile. But today, we choose to remember him the way he would have wanted, with warmth in our hearts, with gratitude in our words, and with the promise to carry forward the values he lived and taught us every single day. Look around. This beautiful campus is so full of life. 4 acres of trees, laughter, classrooms, and dreams taking flight. It's hard to believe it all had a humble start.
We used to live in an independent house that he had rented, and it was a small house, and around it was a yard. So a front yard, backyard, and on the side. And in this entire empty space around the house, he had made classrooms. And that's where the school began. So we would live inside and the whole school was outside. And that time it was only till class 5, if I'm not wrong.
He didn't follow the usual path. He challenged the norms of the education system. For him, every child was unique and deserved to be seen, heard, and guided with compassion.
Children don't need criticism. They are the children. If they are not able to write A, B, C, D, or some children are able to write from A to M, so our report used to say your child is able to write A to M, not the child is not able to write from N to Z.
He was of the belief that if schooling and the passion of the children go parallel, then every child would be happy. He left no stone unturned to take care of the passion of the children.
Teachers were at the heart of his vision. He believed that to shape young minds, we must first inspire the ones who guide them. Let's take a look at how he mentored his teachers.
मैंने जो उनसे सीखा ना, वो दूरदर्शिता, जिसको आप अंग्रेजी में विजन बोलते हो, विजनरीज जो होते हैं, दूरदर्शिता, काम के प्रति समर्पण, डिवोशन, डेडिकेशन टुवर्ड्स योर वर्क, प्लस इसके साथ साथ अपने सह शिक्षकों के साथ, को टीचर्स के साथ, सहकर्मियों के साथ, यानी डोमेस्टिक स्टाफ है, हमारे साथ बहुत से लोग काम करते हैं मिलकर, उन सबके साथ सद्भावनापूर्ण व्यवहार होना चाहिए, ये भी उन्होंने सिखाया.
See, we have learned so many things from sir. How to teach, how to stand, how to talk, how to organize program, everything. And he was behind experiential learning. He established Science Park, Maths Park, not only this school, even in the Heritage Valley also.
Gurwa sir guided me so much. Everybody is thinking that he guided only teachers. He not only guided the teachers, he guided office staff, he guided domestic staff. Each and everyone he taught how to stand even.
You might have wondered about this unique park on our campus, the Math and Science Park. It's where learning comes alive.
Open classrooms, open areas of learning also led him to create very unique mathematics and science parks where children don't just cram equations and formulate through textbooks, but they go and experience them through installations and learning tools. He always believed in experiential learning. When you do something, when you actively use your hands and your head to indulge in an activity, that learning is a lot stronger.
I did not discuss with Mrs. Gurwara. She is the encyclopedia. She can discuss about the past, she can discuss about future. But today I don't know what has happened. Time constraint. Okay.
My mother did everything she could to help him expand his dream and keep expanding the reality to match that dream. She is kind, compassionate, resolute woman, full of stories and experiences. And for somebody to be as mad a dreamer as he was, to have a partner like her who walked every step, who sat on his scooter every time he had to go far away to build the school, or just hold the life together so that he could build. I think she really was the foundation for his dreams.
In 2006, he started Heritage Valley, a school surrounded by nature's calm and beauty.
Sir wanted to build Heritage Valley as a Vidya Ashram, where learning would happen in a natural manner. he always believed in learning by doing, which we call now experiential learning. But he was far ahead of his times. And he had built this campus where children will have various activities, be it sports, arts, music, other cultural activities. He wanted to have gardening, carpentry, all these things, which will get the children ready for the academics.
He spent a lifetime sowing the seeds of values and virtues with deep belief in every child who walked through these gates.
He always taught us that choose the harder right over the easy wrong, no matter what. And it will always stay with me.
Avoid fear, it grows, and face fear, it goes. If we avoid fear, even if we get a short term of peace, we cannot live peacefully throughout our life. Some or the other day we have to face it. And if we take up the guts to face it today, we'll be free forever. No matter what the outcome is, we'll have peace of mind and we'll be free forever.
Something that he has always embodied all his life, that is that he's never spoken negative about anybody. He always found positivity in every situation of life.
The one value that always stuck with me that sir has taught was do your best and leave the rest. This is something that is always going to be there with me. I'll always follow it, and I am following it, and it has always been helpful.
On 28th August, we lost our director sir, and with him, a part of our school's soul. It became clear he didn't just run a school, he built a family, and his legacy lives on in every heart he touched.
The heavens up there are surely happy to have him. The earth down here is shedding tears. Nature knows, always, they say. I guess that is why it rained more this year. I never saw God before, until one day I saw his eyes. I was so sure that God's eyes looked just like these, so pure.
बस उस पुकार की गूंज में मैं अपने आप को समेट लूं, उस जोश की जीत में मैं अपनी रीत माप लूं। हर उदास जीव में आप एक दिशा छोड़ गए, उड़ने का भय नहीं, बस खो गया राह हूँ। घर की और शांति नहीं, ढूंढूं कहाँ साया जहाँ, ए मेरे दिल जाए कहाँ, जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ, जी चाहे जब सब हमको आवाज दो, हम है वही, हम थे जो।
Till now also it is very difficult to digest this news. And it is almost 60 to 70 days, I guess, we are not with sir. Because earlier we used to have frequent meetings, but it's almost 70 days or so. It is very, very difficult to digest. Sorry, sir is not there. So if you have some doubts also, to whom we should ask?
All the functions I used to coordinate with sir. Sir used to call me, Papia, that's more than enough for me. I'm missing that.
Every moment I used to check my mobile. Sir sent me any message, I used to reply quick. But nowadays I'm not getting any messages or call from sir. Many things he used to ask. Every time he is associated with me, every time he used to contact with me only. Now I'm missing that.
A burning lamp can light another lamp. He was a lamp in the real sense of the word. A lamp which was always, always burning, burning for the sake of children. A selfless service to the society.
I don't know. अब मुझे लगता है अब हम टीचर्स के पास में कोई प्रॉब्लम आएगा तो मैं किसके पास जाऊं? हम कभी तैयार नहीं थे इस सिचुएशन के लिए. Now we have to face it. How?
Future is mystery. Past is history. We have to take care of present. So today I pray God that new generation of teachers, they will continue with this objectives to take the Sherwood the way it is.
Our biggest Shikshak is not there with us physically. But as Vidyarthi, how do we find the path now? How do we pave our own path?
नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है? मुट्ठी में है तकदीर हमारी. हमने किस्मत को बस में किया है. बच्चों मुट्ठी उठाओ, हाथ उठाओ, मुट्ठी बनाओ. मुट्ठी में है तकदीर तुम्हारी. जिंदगी के आंसुओं का बोलो क्या करोगे? आंसू मीन्स टफ टाइम. आंसू मीन्स when you face the tough time, then we cry. आंसुओं की हम माला पहनेंगे. It means we will face the problems with a smile on face and enthusiasm at heart.